One thing I've learned about time, it moves backward, but it never forgives. A time turner hums softly, yet every spin cracks another future. You think you can erase your mistakes? No, you just move them around.
We only wanted to save one person. And suddenly we created worlds that should never have existed. Heroes became strangers. Friends drifted apart. And some were simply gone. So hear this from someone who's been trapped inside it. If you ever use a time turner, think about the future you want to build, not the past you're trying to take back.